Right now, critical patient decisions are slowed not by missing data, but because existing data lives in unstructured documents that were never designed to work together. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through an AI-powered system designed to automatically extract clinical insights from medical documents and generate structured reports for faster and more reliable clinical decision-making. Think about what a patient record actually looks like today. It's not a clean database. It's a collection of PDFs, scanned reports, free text notes, and much more, often created over years of different consultations and scattered across disconnected systems. Every document contains valuable insights, but each one speaks a slightly different language. Before clinical meetings, someone has to manually reconstruct the patient's story, reading through everything, extracting key facts, resolving contradictions, and building a timeline. The result? A slow, error-prone process that contributes to delay in care and clinician burnout. The AI-powered medical report generator is designed to solve exactly this problem. Using AI, we can automate data extraction and reduce manual errors while also allowing medical teams to focus on what is most important, the patient. The key idea behind this platform is simple. Our solution tackles this challenge using AI-powered document processing and template-driven extraction. First, the system analyzes each document using AI to extract clinically meaningful entities. Instead of just reading text, it identifies the clinical facts that truly matter. Second, those entities are stored as structured data in MongoDB. And third, every extracted fact keeps a direct link to its source, allowing clinicians to instantly verify all the information. The result isn't just automated reports. It's a platform that delivers structured insight, full traceability, and confidence in the data. But why is the system truly useful in real clinical environments? Well, healthcare is not one size fits all. What matters to an oncologist is very different from what matters to a cardiologist or a trauma specialist. Here, adaptability is key. This is where two main ideas come in. First, template-driven entity extraction, which lets medical experts define exactly what they need from the process documents. Second, using MongoDB as the core, storing all extracted data and the full context behind it. What makes this approach especially powerful is that it doesn't assume every medical team needs the same output. An oncology team might focus on tumor staging, molecular markers, or treatment history, while a cardiology team may prioritize imaging findings or cardiac biomarkers. Instead, medical experts define entity templates that guide the AI during document analysis. These templates specify which clinical concepts to extract, along with the context and the rules that help the model recognize them accurately. The same platform supports all. It can generate completely different reports simply by switching templates. One service, one architecture, but outputs that are tailored to each specialty's clinical reality. AI can extract clinical insights, but managing that data reliably is just as important. That's where MongoDB comes in. Healthcare data is complex and constantly evolving, and MongoDB's flexible data model makes it easy to store and adapt to this information. Every extracted entity also links back to its original document, giving clinicians full traceability and making AI insights transparent and auditable. Combined with its strong security and encryption, MongoDB ensures that AI-powered clinical workflows are not only fast, but also reliable and trustworthy. Now, let's look at how the whole workflow actually works. Everything starts with unprocessed medical documents. The system receives this data and runs a simple pre-processing pipeline to extract their content and basic metadata. Next comes template definition. Here, clinicians configure what information the AI should extract and include in the final report. Once the template is ready, a query is sent to the AI model, which analyzes the data and extracts the requested entities. Those structured entities are then structured and aggregated, and platform automatically generates the final multidisciplinary team report, or MDT report. Now, let's take a look at the demo itself, shall we? Once you access it, you are greeted with the main information banner, which includes all the relevant information that one may need to understand the demo. One of these banners will be available in each tab of the demo to help you navigate the whole service effectively. After reviewing this information, we can close the banner and automatically see all the available patients in our database, with their associated document count. Due to security reasons, this demo uses preset anonymous data, and upload functionalities are blocked. Additionally, a setting display will be available at all times on the right upper side of the screen. There, one can easily change the general settings and LLM configuration. Select the patient you want to explore, and you will get to its patient-specific workspace. There, you can navigate through the different services using the sidebar menu. First, we find the document overview, in which the user will be able to select from the incoming documents and process them to achieve semi-structured data. The Preprocessed Document tab allows the user to explore the structure and the content of documents waiting to be used for reports. Once all the desired documents have been preprocessed, it is time to create a new report. However, there is still a crucial step to complete before: the template configuration. Here, the user can explore existing templates, define which one to activate based on their needs, and finally create a brand new template from scratch. Once the correct template is set to active, we can move forward and generate the new report. While this process takes place, we can explore previous reports or even download the extended version in PDF format. Finally, in the observability section, the user will find the record of all reports generated for the selected patients and their details. This section also displays the ground truth document, which is the real MDT report to compare to the generated reports. This comparison allows the user to evaluate the effectiveness of the process and analyze the accuracy of the model selected. Let's now look at how all these pieces come together in the platform's architecture. At the top is the AI Medical Report Generator interface. Behind it sits the application layer, which orchestrates the workflow, handling document ingestion, OCR for scanned files, communication with the AI model, and much more. The AI extraction is powered by an external LLM provider of the user's choosing. Underneath it all, MongoDB acts as the core, storing the original documents, extracted data, templates, and generated reports. This layered architecture allows the system to process complex medical documentation at scale while maintaining transparency, traceability, and flexibility. As we wrap up, there are 3 key lessons from this solution. First, automating data extraction dramatically reduces manual workloads and errors, turning hours of document review into faster and more consistent processes. Second, customizable entity extraction is essential. Different medical specialties focus on different signals, so clinicians must be able to define what information they need. And third, transparency and traceability are critical. By linking every extracted insight back to its source, MongoDB ensures the data remains verifiable at all times. Healthcare teams do not need more documents, they need clarity. By combining AI-powered entity extraction with a flexible data platform, we can transform complex medical records into structured, traceable clinical insights. The result is more consistent information and less time spent navigating documents, so clinicians can focus on what matters most, which is patient care.